A lot of brands think that making a product more affordable means lowering the quality. It doesn't. Affordable products and cheap products are not the same. Cheap products usually feel inconsistent. Random cost cutting, weak materials, poor construction decisions. But strong, affordable products are intentional. They are about making smart trade-offs, not just lowering the quality of the product. See, not every product needs premium fabrics, complex constructions, or a lot of design details to feel valuable. Building strong, affordable products is about knowing where to invest, where to simplify, and what actually matters for the customer.